Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on Miss Minnie. It's been a little while since I've been in here. So what I'm going to try and do is not really do a lot of times talking to the camera. Let's just get the jobs done and get this car progressing in a positive way. Interior's done. Well, seats are mostly done. The roofline is done. The carpet's done. The lights in the back are done. The windows are done. The wiring loom is mostly in. Got some bits and pieces to do in the dash. Got the wiper linkages to sort, which I've now found the bits for. Got a few other bits and pieces that I've ordered. And I've just got to get on and get some bits and pieces done. So let's get cracking. Wiper box is now separated and split, and I've got a new wheel box to go on. So common issue are these splines failing and causing a bit of a poor rotation. Also the teeth tend to wear out, so that's looking pretty bad, and all the splines here have all worn away. So this is the reason it's replacing. I have a new unit here, which actually I'm going to see if I can wang that on along that shaft, just like that. Lovely. This is the first piece on. Then the pipe goes on. Then the next wheel box goes on. And the last piece. I clamp it all down. I should be able to smoothly operate and put it into the car. been a very busy day. So I've got lots of stuff done, interior side of things, and then the wiring, the upper and lower dashboard rails are fitted. Managed to sort a few terminals out. I fitted up the wiper linkage with the new wheel boxes. Had to do a bit of a modification to make the wiper motor fit as well. Underneath, I managed to do the jobs I've wanted to do for a while, which is fuel lines, brake lines, and battery cable. They're all in the engine bay, ran. They're not terminated yet, but they are pretty much ready to go. I've moved the engine. The engine was over there under a couple of waterproof covers. That's now in the garage. It has been cleaned and it's in need of some paint. So that's this evening's jobs. I've just been for dinner with my parents. They're off to Mexico next week, so they're going to have a lovely few-week holiday and hopefully come back a bit refreshed and raring to go. We're just enjoying this beautiful summer's evening. So this evening's jobs are to give this engine a lick of paint, and then I'm going to call this a day because I'm absolutely shattered. I really shouldn't be out here because I'm knackered and I've been out here all day, and I was out here last night, and I need to get this car finished, so we're going to carry on and plod on.